Hello everybody, welcome to ISE 26 and the G&D and VuWall booth. Please come in and have a look. So we are working here on the desk in front of the LED wall, that is the operator desk. And we have two versions on top here. One is the VuWall solution, the AV over IP, and one is the Vision XX solution from G&D in that case. If you come closer and have a look, then I want to show you that we have a couple of features, and the big announcements that we make is basically that from the centralized management platform TRX, you're now able to control everything even within the G&D universe. And you can see here that the whole booth that we set up is controlled by our software. And I can show you a little bit on the G&D side as well. We have a very big announcement with the command deck, but more focused on the keyboard. And this keyboard is also connected to the TRX universe, and it makes it possible basically to switch all the sources within the system just by a simple button touch. But also you are able now to control the LED wall by just pressing the button. In that case, it's a preset, and you will switch the LED wall with it. And that's the main focus that we have here at the moment. Also, we have the announcement of a Pack 1, the Pack 1 will be a very small decoder, single output 4K, one source, and it acts as a single head decoder if you want. And last but not least, we have the synchronization functionality. So this is an 8K screen, and the 8K screen is completely connected to 4 different pack units, and we are decoding one picture fully synchronized in between, so you won't have any tearing in between the pictures. That's very useful for LED walls. Last but not least, we have the new control panel with the dynamic control panel that we have here. You can see the user has only his screen, and I can drag and drop the sources into here, and you can easily operate your whole control room with this one solution. Thank you.